we have a 99 Ford Expedition. We have a check engine light on, and there is a misfire, but when you go scan it, there is no misfire code there. Let's go and check it. Engine with AC, code menu. That's what we're gonna check. Memory code. Okay, obviously you can see the misfire, how much my hand shakes, but computer didn't pick up the problem yet. So this is the codes. Let's go back again. Function test. Let's check cylinder distribution test. Okay, so cylinder number 5, looks like we have a problem there. We're gonna go and check it and see number 5, what's going on there. Let's go back, see if we have any other test. Generic function, no. Troubleshooting, engine, P0, let's go P0 305. So we have left side, it's a bank 2, cylinder 5 is on that side. Left side, we're gonna go check 5, 6, 7 and 8 is on that side. So looks like the number 5 is the first cylinder towards the front. Okay, let's go check that. Okay, we have the link code. Okay, I'm gonna go and check it, pull that spark plugs out and find out customer did tune up on his own and then he screwed up the job. Okay, I select the 99 Ford Explorer 4.6 engine. So I'm going to find out now which cylinder is number 5, and on the coil side which one is number 5. So we're gonna type in firing order. Firing order, that's what it is. And on this list we're gonna go all the way in the bottom, and it's right there. Okay, that's what we got. So erase driver side, it's number 5, the first cylinder towards the front, like I said, and the coil, it's on the passenger side, number 5 there. So I'm gonna go check the spark plug and make sure that wire is correct installed. And we're using Identifix here. Okay, I'm taking that spark plug out. That's the first one. On the driver's side, number 5. So that's what it is. Okay, let's check the coil, the spark plug. Yeah, that looks good. It is new. Somebody told it new. So we're gonna check now the wire. Put the new set of wires. Probably they made a mistake somewhere there, because the customer says that after he did tune up, he had issue, not before. So number 5 wire looks good. It's right on the spot. That's the one. That's number 5 in coil. So we're gonna trace the problem now. So we checked that, that's good. Let's go next. Okay, so what I found here is that number 5 cylinder misfiring. It's because, let me fix this light. Okay, you can see the shaking. You can hear it, and right there. So that injector, it's not in all the way. So I'm gonna push it in. See? And the misfire stops. But the computer couldn't pick it up. We didn't have a scanner, no code, only we had the lean condition. So now no more misfire, and that's plugged in, and it's good to go. That's it. Love when the customer plays with the car. I love it. And okay, I plugged that injector back. So let's check the codes. We're gonna clear up the codes, so clear the codes. Yes, codes clear it, and now we're going back to the other testing and check. 1 second. Function test, what we went before. Cylinder combustion test, contribution test, continue. Continue. Yep, see number 5 cylinder. After plugging the injector back, we have 0. So we are good. We fixed the problem. And there was a misfire there, but the computer didn't pick it up. But we went to live data and we find that number 5 had issue. I went to number 5, checked the spark plug, was good, checked the wire to the coil, was good. Checked the injector, the plug was not plugged in. The plug was in, but not 100% in. So after plugging it in, we have the injector, cylinder number 5 fixed. Thank you for watching, subscribe and share. This is Yusuf from my repair shop.